Hi, hello, welcome to Paru Ravi Vlogs. So today there is something very special coming up, which is a surprise. Yes, it's a surprise unboxing. As the video was going too long, we have to divide it into two parts. So this is the first part now. Hello guys. So without any further delay, let's start our unboxing. I can see something. Okay, it's a product from Prestige. Yeah, it's Prestige Electrical Kettle. Due to this festive season, my dad ordered many stuffs together. So one of them is electrical kettle.
So yes, it is Prestige electrical kettle. So yeah, as we can see from the outside itself, it has a very elegant design. Plus, what is the main thing here? It is used for heating the things, right? We can heat water, tea, whatever, milk, whatever it is. So the plus point is this is the cool touch handle as well as the lid. So if we touch the handle as well as lid, even if it is hot, we won't come in contact with any amount of heat. So yes, this was the outside thing. Now here we can say it is PKOSS 1.5. So 1.5 means 1.5 liters. So it has a 1.5 liters of capacity to hold in it. And now let's see some of its specification or features, we can say mainly. So see here we can see it's elegant handle with single touch lid locking. So it has a locking system which is single touch. That. The next is automatic cut off when water has boiled. So if the even it has a sensor thing that it can sense if the water is boiled, it has an automatic off thing. And then we can see concealed element easy to clean. So as we can see, there is a specified concealed element. It is very much easy to clean. Plus power indicator. So it glows when the power is on. We can see the red color or the red switch which is here. It glows, and then it what we can say, it identifies that it is power on. And later on, it has a 360-degree swivel base. So as this base, it has a 360-degree rotation. So it is more convenient and portable for us. So now, and here is a small box of technical specification which is saying that it has a power of 1500 watts and the voltage is 230 volt AC and 50 hertz. So now let's go inside, and the waiting is over. Oh my god, it is so elegant. Just a moment. Yeah, ta-da! So let me take this off too. Okay, here we have a separate base which we said that it was a 360-degree rotating base. And so it was the glowing button which will indicate whether it is on or off. And this is the handle on. Yeah. And we have to fix it like this over the base. We have to plug it, and that's it. So many hostels, so as I was saying, that it was a very useful product indeed. So this is the push button that we can open. Oh, here's something. It could be a warranty card probably. Just a moment. Yeah. So actually there are three models in this particular type. One is of 1.8, 1.5 and 1.2 liters respectively, and we have the 1.5 liter one. So this is the warranty card. Here we have the number, everything. So here we have terms of warranty, how to use, important safeguards, operation, etc. And as you can see, we have a good volume, good storage thing. As I can see, 1.5 liters means, yeah, it is going for 1.5 liters. So that's it. So yeah, it was the unboxing of Prestige Electric Kettle PKOSS 1.5. Okay, so let's see the another unboxing within a short. Hey, hello again. So here is the another box which we got from Amazon itself. And as I said, it is Diwali and my dad ordered many stuffs together, like home appliances itself. But we don't know which box has what things. So it's also a surprise for us as of you. So let's see together, let's open it and check what is it. So as you can see, while unboxing, cutting off the stuffs is a major thing. Oh yeah, as you can see, it's another product from Prestige itself, but I am doubt whether it's a cooker or mixer or what it is. Let's take it out. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, so it's another product from Prestige itself. It's Prestige Omega Select. So it is a product from Omega Select type of brand. So it actually consists of three things, which is Omni Tawa 250 mm, then fry pan, which is this is tawa, and which is also 250 mm, and at last flat base kadai with stainless steel. This is nothing but stainless steel lid. So this lid goes with this pan, with everything. So it is 3-in-1 lid, and each of the kadai or the pan, they are thickness of 250 mm itself. And what we get, what is the advantage of taking Omega Select is we get residue free cooking. What does residue free cooking means? It is a healthy way we can just transform ourselves to healthy way. It has 3-layer metal spoon friendly coating, so even using metal spoon, it does not harm your kadai. Many people have a misconception that it does. With Omega Select Plus, there's no issue with that, and it can handle sturdy handles. And so the world's first residue free cookware by Prestige. Ta-da! So now let's go inside and check what we have. So this is the literal unboxing of Omega Plus, powered by Prestige. Wow! What is this we have here? So it is what we can say, it's a frying pan, or what is it? It's tawa. Extremely apology, it's tawa. So it is a tawa from, again, Omega Select Plus. What we have here, it's a superior non-stick coating. It has a durable finish, metal spoon friendly, yeah. So stain free interiors, that interiors won't get stained easily, this part and all. PFOA free and sturdy handles. So yes, I'll paste it here. So this is the back side of this tawa, and as we can see, this handle, it has a very strong grip so that we can hold and we will have a grip. So yes, it's very shiny, it's very tough, it's hard. Next we have the stainless steel lid. So yeah, there's nothing more about the lid, it's a common one. This scrubber, it's always complimentary with Prestige products. So here we go, a blue one. And here we have kadai. So even this has the same specification of being non-stick, then durable friendly, metal spoon friendly, and stuff like that. So what the main thing is, we can see here the same grip. And this design, it helps us to handle the kadai even when it is heavy, when having gravies and stuff like this, it becomes heavy. So with this design, it goes easy for us, with this design, it goes easy to handle. So yes. So yeah, this is the warranty card, we'll see it later. Last but not least, it is our chapati frying pan or either dosa thing. We can use it for either stuff, and it is elegant as well as very friendly and easy to handle. So by holding it like this, we can easily, make our omelets without, what we can say, egg, or maybe it's dosa, or we can say about chapatis, many stuffs. So here, as this you can see, we can make a such beautiful amount of dosa. So yeah, so this is the thing, and this is the back side. Here we can see clearly stating Prestige Omega Select Plus. So it is encrypted here, like, yeah. So it's Omni Tawa, of the thickness is also engraved, and it is from Prestige is engraved. Such things, like Prestige does very beautiful things. So one plus thing in non-stick tawas is we don't require much amount of oil. As it's not sticky, so we don't need much amount of oil pouring. So this is very helpful for the health freaks, who like think of not eating or not consuming oil much more. As in, for my house, my parents and my family, they don't consume much amount of oil, and we are two health freaks. So this is a thing which we actually needed and we wanted, and it is as per our convenience, like it is somewhat we actually demanded for. So it is very satisfying. And at last we can see for our warranty card, what does it has. It has some special features which we have already seen, as well as how to use it. Everyone know how to use and how to wash, but you should not purposefully, as they are saying that it is spoon friendly, metal spoon friendly, but it is not thing that we have to scratch it. So okay, that particular care should be taken, that we should not use sharp objects like knives, fork purposefully on the screen. Okay, it may scratch the surface. So that is the thing which we have to take care of. And lastly, these are the warranty terms, and we have the warranty of 1 year. So yeah, it is our consumers or customers copy. So we have to coat it, and then we can prevail this. So that's it with this. Thank you.